A cup of warm
Wow.
water from the microwave. Comfort in my hands. I'll smoke to stay warm. Switch off the breaker. Warmth for a second. Cheese lures the mouse. It cuddles me warm like a capybara. A bit of workout. Sweat comes out. Cold feels less harsh. Wine warms me up, but now my head spins like crazy. A chili burns my throat. At least now I'm on fire.